In this video, you're going to learn how to back up your WordPress website using a free plugin called WPVivid. To start, click on your website, Dashboard, Plugins, Add New, and you're going to search for WPVivid. Click on Install Now and activate. Once activated, you're redirected here on the WPVivid section. Here you have different backup options. You can either back up the entire site, the database, and the files, all files excluding the database, or only the database. Here we just want to back up everything. You can either save your backup on your local computer or on a web server, or you can also save the backup on a remote storage. So you could save it on Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive. So that's a really cool option for a free plugin. And to start backing up your site, just click on Backup Now. As simple as that. It might take a couple seconds to back up. Once it's done, if you scroll down the page, you see that you now have a backup of your site here that you can download. Just click on Download. And to save it, click on Download. Now if you want to restore it, you just click on Restore. If you are on another WordPress install on another website and you want to restore your website, just click on Upload, and down here click on Select Files, and in your Downloads folder or wherever you have your backup stored, just click on the folder and then click on All Files, choose. Now depending on your host or the size of your website, it might take a couple minutes for it to load to your website, but click on Upload. Once the upload is finished, you are automatically redirected on the first page, and then if you go down onto backup, you'll have your backup that shows right here, and you can restore it from here. With this plugin, you can also schedule your backups. So you need to enable backup schedule here, and then you can choose if you want to do a backup every 12 hours, daily, weekly, every 2 weeks, every month. You can choose the type of backup and where you want to save it, and hit Save Changes. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.